this video, I'll be showing you how to install these. Some things you need for this install: some water and dish soap, a couple of drops, a trim tool like this, or a credit card, ID card will help, and a microfibre towel. First we're just going to clean it down. I've got these alcohol wipes. You don't have to use alcohol wipes, just whatever cleaning stuff you have. Make sure it's nice and clean. Anything that's on the paint will show up on the vinyl once it's installed. Then just have a mixture of dish soap or dishwashing liquid. Spray it down, and you want it nice and wet. Just with these stickers, we want to make sure that this outer one is pushed down nice, just so when we peel the backing off, the letters don't get all distorted. Alright, so we're gonna just peel this off. Try to do it outside a windy area. Should be nice and clean area too. We want to try and keep the backing nice and flat. And you want to make sure that none of the letters come up with the backing. With the backing off, we want to try and give it all a nice spray, nice and wet. Then we will just want to take our vinyl, pick it up, nice and easy, bring it over, position it, just set it on. And the reason we wet it is so we can maneuver it around a little bit to where we want it. So we can just peel it off here. Another reason we wet it is just so it's a lot easier to get the air bubbles out. I'm gonna try and bring it down a bit. There we go. Looking at that, it's about right. And what we want to do now is give it a little coat to the outside, just so when we use our trim tool we don't damage the vinyl. And starting from the middle, we want to squeegee out all the water from underneath. So once we're happy with the position and we're pretty much all smoothed out, we can pull off this center bit. We want to take it nice and easy just in case the letters are sticking. We want to try and get it as low down. If the letters start coming up, just hold them down with your finger as you pull away.
take your time.
And then we're just going to go over it again just with some more dish soap and squeeze out all the bubbles. Because we have a cutout in the center, we can start from the outside and go in, get all the bubbles out, go over all the letters, make sure they're all straight the way you want them. Squeegee out all the water again. And we're done. Now for the other side. Once we're happy, we can wipe off all the excess. Give it a pat at first. Just keep an eye out for any bubbles, if there's any. We can try and smooth them out. Now we can leave that to dry.